discontinued, or additional treatment may not be administered in an effort to extend life. It must also include a clause that allows the executor to revoke it, as well as the name of a caretaker who will give permission to refuse or discontinue medical care in compliance with the Advanced Medical Directive. The most recent Advanced Medical Directive will take effect if there are multiple ones. However, the rules do not cover circumstances when the directive is unclear. The paper must be officially approved by a judicial magistrate of first class, who is expected to document approval as to the informed consent and voluntary participation of the executor, and 2 attesting witnesses, who should ideally be unbiased, must be present. A tangible copy of the document and a digital copy must be stored with the JMFC in order to prevent tampering in the future, and another real and virtual copy must be stored with the registrar of the relevant district court. Additionally, the municipality or panchayat, if applicable, is required to keep a copy. If family members are uninformed, they must be informed, and if there is a family doctor, he must also be notified. Only after the person is terminally sick and the doctor has verified the document's validity with the JMFC, only then can the document be put into action. Officials at the hospital are compelled to take action if the practitioner has a philosophical or religious disagreement. The doctor is required to notify the hospital administration of the members of the medical board, which will be composed of the head of the concerned department and 3 specialists from different fields, such as pharmaceuticals, urology, hematology, etc., who have expertise in emergency departments and have been practicing for at least 20 years overall. The board will then examine the patient while the designated guardian is present, and it will make a determination regarding whether or not the directives in the document can be followed. If this preliminary opinion is positive, it will be forwarded to the jurisdictional collector, who will then establish a new medical board with the chief district medical officer, serving as chairman, and 3 experienced practitioners from diverse specialties with at least 20 years of experience, excluding the doctors who were on the preceding board. If, after examining the individual, this board agrees with the hospital's board, the decision will be reported to the JMFC. Next, the JMFC will pay a visit to the patient as soon as possible to approve the implementation of the document. The document may be revoked by the executor at any time before it is put into effect by putting it in writing. It is possible for the executor, family, or even the practitioner to file a writ petition under Article 226 before the High Court in situations when the medical board denies authorization. In these situations, the Chief